Yeah.
So it's been a year and or almost 2 years, and I'm still steady. No gallstones, looking more better than and healthier than before. So I used during the process, during the time when I had gallstone, I was recommended to use the dark matter. Now the dark matter, they have it in the capsule form now, just in case you don't take the liquid. I use it in the liquid form. I took it before eating anything, and then after I combined the two together, and immediately, like a couple minutes after, the pain would subside. And this right here, within these two combined, within 3 days, less than a week, gallstones was totally flushed out. No joke. And I have a bunch of people saying how it was prepped in August for me to have a surgery, and within 3 days my gallbladder is still intact. Didn't have to get surgery removed, and everything is intact, and I'm still healthy, kicking, no pain. And thank be to God, thank God for the herbal stuff, and for my friend